Hey everyone, Doug from Convology here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use BunnyNet and just BunnyNet to host, stream, and provide a player for your course videos in Thrive Apprentice. Now, a big part of this setup is going to be getting Bunny Stream, which is a new service from BunnyNet, all set up and configured. And I've already done a video on that. You'll find it somewhere up here. I'll link to it in one of these cards for you to click on and check out, or you can find it here on the channel. Be sure to watch that one first, get everything set up and walk through that process, because I'm not going to walk through that again for us to save some time. Instead, I'm going to jump right into a video that I've uploaded for us to use in Thrive Apprentice. Okay, so here we are in my BunnyNet account, and we're going to click on a video that I've uploaded here for us to use for our Thrive Apprentice course. And we're going to swap out a video that I have hosted on Vimeo for the video hosted here with BunnyStream. And like I showed in my previous video, this is where you can access all the information for the video that you've just uploaded. We have the ability to choose a thumbnail if we'd like for use on our video player. That's through BunnyNet entirely. And we have the ability to copy the embed code, which is what we're going to do to use inside of Thrive Apprentice. So the first thing that I would do, I would leave it responsive. I would uncheck autoplay down here in the bottom right. I'd go ahead and leave preload checked. And then what we want to do is click copy to clipboard. And then we're going to just basically click out of this or leave this open and jump over to our Thrive Apprentice website. Okay, so here in my Thrive Apprentice website, you can see I have this exact lesson up that corresponds with this video. And I'm going to note a couple of things. First off, this is a video lesson, so I have left the video lesson option checked. And right now I have it set for Vimeo. Instead of Vimeo, I'm going to click on that and I'm going to change to custom. And you'll see now it asks you to paste in your custom embed code, which is what we just copied. So I'm going to paste that in, and you'll see I haven't made any changes to it. I've just dropped it in there, and I'm going to go ahead and click save. Now let's preview that lesson, and you'll note something right off the bat. You have this big blank white space, and then we have our Bunny Stream or BunnyNet player here with all of the options for our transcoding, right? So I've chosen 720p and 1080p for the video. We also have the ability to change the speed. So everything here works fantastic, except for this big white space. The fix is actually really easy. All we have to do is basically make one tiny little alteration to the Bunny Stream embed code that they give us. So let's jump back to our lesson here, edit our summary, and notice that the code here, we have a div style tag. And again, this is getting slightly complicated. I'm going to show you a much faster way to look at this in a second. But we have our iframe, which is wrapped in a div tag that has some styling. The styling that's breaking our player is this position relative with padding 56.25%. So we actually don't need this div tag at all. All we want is from the start, which is the left caret iframe, down to the close of the slash iframe, and just click save. So in essence, all we did was kept the iframe and removed the div tags and the styling on the front and the end. Now, if we come back here and we refresh, you'll see that it works perfectly. Our video is just an iframe that fits beautifully inside of Thrive Apprentice. It is fully playable. Let me play that real quick. Welcome back. In this video, there we go. It works perfectly. We have our normal speed. Let's put me at 2x. I want to talk about how Thrive Architect fits in. That works perfectly. And we have the ability to choose the transcoding. We can do 720p or 1080p. I can drop that down and it works perfectly as well. So as you can see, just removing that very simple styling fixed our player entirely. So that's it. That's how you use Bunny Stream with Thrive Apprentice without having to use any other plugins, without having to tweak Thrive Apprentice in any way, shape, or form, and to have all of your videos hosted for an incredibly affordable rate with BunnyNet. If you'd like to use BunnyNet to get started with hosting your videos for your Thrive Apprentice courses, I have a link in the description, or you can visit convology.com/BunnyNet, where you can start a 14-day free trial and try it out yourself. See how fast it speeds up your website, see how it makes your video hosting so much better and convenient. Again, check out the video that I have somewhere up here in the cards up here. And yeah, get started with BunnyNet, and I think you'll see that it's a way better alternative to Vimeo or Wistia or hosting your course videos on YouTube. So that'll do it for me, everyone. I'm Doug at Convology, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.